Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I received some happy mail from Sadies Stickers and I cannot wait to share this with you. She recently had a oops bag sale and I had to jump on it. So because I was new to her shop and I wasn't for sure what I really want to get, I did want to get something to see what her stickers look like. So I did pick up some oops bags and they were really cute, and I just wanted to just go ahead and test out some of her stickers. So I did get an oops bag, and then I also added I also got some add-on stuff as well. So that's what I want to show you. So first up, I'm going to show you my add-on Deco stickers that I received here. So I did get the sunflower Deco add-on, which is a weekly. Just have like some decorative stickers on here with some boxes. And then I also got this Advent 2020 stickers here as well, which is a weekly add-on. And then I believe this might be a freebie. Yes, so it's a 4-year anniversary freebie in, what is this, like rose gold foil. Super cute. So I got that. And now we're going to get into this oops bag, y'all. Oh my goodness. So this is called the No Limit Foil Oops Grab Bag. And this is like the mini one. She had bigger ones, but again, like I said, I just wanted to see what her stickers look like. And I was a little scared that I would have got some stickers that didn't match as far as like kit wise. So I wanted to just go ahead and just try something a little smaller and just test it out and see if I like it. And then of course I feel like I'm going to be placing some more orders. So let's check out all the goodies in the inside. So here we get Bingo Deco 3, which are like translucent silver foil stickers here. That'll be great if you want to do like deco, like a hanging sign type thing. I think I could do something with this and some colorful boxes, make it look really cute. And then I have butterfly mini circles. Look at that. That is so cute. Then we have doilies. Ooh, pretty rose gold. Then you have the beautiful bows and then like iridescent or holographic foil. Arrow dividers. We have horizontal butterfly corners. Ooh, this would be really cute in my dashboard layout. Vertical dividers. We have butterfly date numbers. Ooh, do y'all see the butterflies on that? Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Then we have trim 2. We have boho dangles. Ooh, now these are really cute. Ooh, I could do like, I'm already getting some ideas, y'all. Oh, and so these are like hexagon shaped stickers. So these are hexagon circles. These are flags. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I can see it a little bit. Flags here. So at the top, let me pull one off. So you get like a horizontal shape here. Below that is a circle. And then these down here are like flag shape stickers. Let me see if I can put this back on. All right. And then we have some frames. Look like little clouds a little bit. Ooh, this would be cute. Oh, I'm getting some ideas already. So I'm definitely going to be ordering again from Sadies Stickers. All right. So here we have July 2021. These are gold foil stickers here. Days of the weeks. Some days off sticker, next month goals. And then some holiday stickers here and some icons. And then we have, ooh, line dividers. Ooh, now is this one sticker or are they individual? Let's see. Let's test this out real quick. Oh, this is going to be great for my dashboard layout. So they're all individual foil. So everywhere you see a foil, that's an individual line. So this is very tedious, but amazing. I can't wait to use that. We have star confetti full boxes. Definitely good for overlaying over important dates or events. All right, then we have some more trims here. I like these, almost like little scallop stickers here. Nicely cut, rose gold foil. And then we have Mayflowers. So here I do see some oops in some of these as far as the cutting, but again, it's not that big of a deal for me, y'all. This is awesome. So we have days of the week stickers here, some half boxes here, and then some border stickers here. We have a sun-kissed. Sorry if I didn't get that in frame. You have sun-kissed. Beautiful boxes. a mixture of different kits, which I love. Now, this one is super cute. This is Darling. Oh, I wonder if she has this in her shop, y'all. Oh my goodness. Don't be like the rest of them, Darling. Oh, yes. Love these decorative boxes, full boxes, habit trackers here and here. And you have washi strip at the bottom. And then lastly, we have Vintage Lilac. I do like this color scheme as well. It's like a beige, like lilac, teal, mint, purple type color with rose gold foil on there. And then are these lines too? So these might be like little, okay, like these are little, like line dividers. Y'all, I'm loving this. I'm so here for Sadies Stickers. Oh, okay, y'all. So that was a flip through of my Oops bag from Sadies Stickers. I am absolutely thrilled with this Oops. I am all about the Oops bundles and all of that fun stuff. So you guys, please let me know what stickers in here that you liked. I pretty much like them all because I already have some ideas of how I'm going to be using this within my spread. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you want to go ahead and see how I'm going to be using Sadies stickers in my planners. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.